Well, today is an exciting day for the puppies. It's their first day outside. This is the only area in my yard that's astroturfed. I had it professionally done so the puppies would be in a nice, safe area where they weren't digging holes and killing grass. It's also got a canopy on it, so we're protected when the weather gets rainy or snowy or nasty. Actually, I love this area, to be honest with you. As you can tell, they're really trying to figure out the AstroTurf. Some of them are totally cool with it. They've already gotten it figured out and ready to play. Other ones are still working on it. A lot of them just want me to come over there and be with them, which are the ones crying right now, who want to be with me all the time. Not right now, little one. I'll come over there in a little bit. I think they're loving the running around part today.